पालियो करंट एनालिसिस पालियो करंट एनालिसिस बेसिकली आम से करूँ कौन पालियो करंट एनालिसिस माने वी आर डूइंग डायरेक्शन ऑफ पालियो करंट व्हिच हैज एक्जिस्टेड अर्लियर नॉट एट प्रेजेंट सो बाय डूइंग सो एक्चुअली आम कौन वी डिटरमाइनिंग direction of the current and as the name suggests this is your paleo means the past current or existing pre-existing current. This is past current which is responsible for the formation of different sedimentary structures. Normally from two aspects we can determine paleo current. One is the scalar property. First one is your scalar property, second one is your vector property. Scalar property are those property which are not marked with direction. Certainly some of the your bounce mark, prod marks, these marks are helpful to determine direction of paleo current. Bounce mark, prod marks means suppose an object is there, then due to the attrition of this object on a particular sediments means those who are unconfederated sediments, then the movement will this particle or the object will leave certain traces on the sedimentary structure. Then the direction of a movement of this particular objects or direction of movement of this mark sometimes help us to identify paleo current, but these are not useful most of the times. Therefore we use your vector properties. Vector properties are those structures which are associated with directions. We know some of the vector properties or some of the your sedimentary structures associated with direction are your top set, bottom set and your foreset, and all together known as your cross bedding. Cross bedding, it is always associated with direction. Therefore this is a vector quantity or this is a vector property by which we will determine the paleo current direction. In case of cross bedding, normally as we know we have three sets of beds, the top set, then the bottom set and four sets. Four set is always asymptotic to the base, asymptotic to the base, and this is truncated at the top. And forceps makes an angle or forceps are dipping along the direction of movement, The forceps generally dips along the direction of the movement. So if we can determine top set, foreset and bottom set, then from the bottom set we can find out the movement direction of the current. Suppose there is a cross bedding, normally we can determine the attitude of any bed, strike dip and dip direction, dip amount, everything you can determine. So along the direction of dip, normally gives us the direction of paleo current. Direction of dip usually associated with direction of paleo current. And For example, suppose here given there are certain directions like 348, 350, 10, 12, 18, 34, 347, 358. From this is 6 sets of data. Suppose these are 6 sets of data. From this data, suppose question is asking for determine the direction of paleo current. Determine the direction of paleo current. What is the direction of paleo current? Suppose this question is asked in JAA. कौन आंसर होता है? What would be the answer? Usually कौन करछ? लोएस्ट एंगल माने क्या बाहर बाहर करछ ना केबे भी आमर ये क्वेश्चन आसी छी परा आमर क्वेश्चन केमिति करिया ताले एनीथिंग व्हिच इज लेस देन 350 in your negative side, anything which is more than 360 these are in positive side. The thing is the way by which we will doing we can determine the paleo current direction. So direction will be -12, then -10, then +10, +12, +18, +34, -13, -2, and the data are not repeated. So, single data, so divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer will be the answer will be 12, -12, -10, 10, then it will be 18 plus 34, it will be 52, 52 minus 15 by 8, so it will be 37 by 8. This is equal to your 4.6. So your paleo current direction is 4.6. So normally, but एटा को यूज कला बेला को भी बहुत कॉशियसली यूज करिया पड़े कौन भाई ना डाटा गुड़ाक रिपीटेड है रिपीटेशन है दीज आर नॉट ग्रुप डेटा दीज आर अनग्रुप्ड डेटा एंड डेटा आर नॉट रिपीटेड जदि डेटा गुड़ाक रिपीटेशन हम in case of repetition data then we cannot use this formula thank you every direction is associated with two components direction means suppose मु ताको नेक्स्ट पढ़ेबी ठीक से खाली जानी था आमर कौन है ना एनी डाटा फॉर ए नॉन अनग्रुप्ड डेटा देयर आर टू थिंग्स वन इज ग्रुप्ड डेटा अदर वन इज अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. In case of grouped data, then the question will ask for 345 to 360. There are number of data or number of your paleo current directions are suppose 6 or 6 sets of data they are giving in a direction of 345 to 360. Suppose then from 0 to 15 there will be 8 number of data. From 15 to 30 suppose there are 16 number of data. Then from 345 to suppose 332 345 332 345 11 number of data. So now the data is given in a grouped format, means in a direction. Suppose we will determine with respect to the paleo current in a rows diagram. So 15, it will be your 30, then 45, but 30 30 this is your 30, then 60 90, so then 15 45 75, and in this direction this is in a rows diagram format. Rows diagram format से कौन कहूँ ना maximum number of data will be given, ताले concentration कहाँ को अधिक देबा 0 ରୁ 15. Suppose from 0 center to 80, suppose 100 data को, suppose 100 number of data 5 centimeter radius को हमें cover करते 5 centimeter radius. Rows diagram radius is 5 centimeter. In 5 centimeter we are giving 100 number of data. So correspondingly 8 number of data will be कितना होगा 1 centimeter will be 20 data, 0.5 centimeter will be 10 data, so 0.4 will be 8 data. So this will be your 0.8. Then from 340 to 6 0.3, it will be 0.3. एटा बहुत दे देले, एटा सपोज 20 करदा 5 सेंटीमीटर को सपोज 20 टा डेटा हला 5 सेंटीमीटर को फॉर 5 सेंटीमीटर डेटा सपोज 20 नंबर ऑफ डेटा. सो फॉर 8 नंबर ऑफ डेटा इट विल बी केते 2 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर विल बी 8, 0 ରୁ 15 8 डेटा. सो 0 ରୁ 15 2 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस रे हमें कौन करबा ना विल ड्रॉ दी व्हील. बुझी हो ना कथा ना बुझी होनी. सपोज 345 ରୁ 360 6टा ताने 1.5 सेंटीमीटर केते 1.5 सेंटीमीटर रे हमें कौन करबा ना वी विल डार्कनिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. 15 ରୁ 30, 15 to 30 16, so proportionately 15 to 30, so radius will be then from 330 to 345 11 means it will be 2.75. ए पाखरे आसीबा हमर कते ना 2.75. Now from this we are getting a diagram which looks like or resembles to, यदि बड़ करी ताको देखिबो ताले हम पाखरे खाली कोन रहिला एतिकी डेटा अच्छी. फ्रॉम दिस ग्रुप डेटा आम पाखे एतिकी भाया डेटा अच्छी. ताले वी कैनॉट यूज अनग्रुप्ड डेटा इक्वेशन. ताले या पई हेले हमको वी हैव टू यूज इन अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट बिकॉज एवरी डायरेक्शन सपोज आमर जे कोनसी डायरेक्शन कथा हमें कहउचंदी फॉर ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी इट हैज टू कंपोनेंट्स. वन इज योर कॉस कंपोनेंट, अदर वन विल बी योर sin component, sin theta cos theta. So this will be your tan component. Sin theta by cos theta will be your tan component. So every direction रे ताले कोन हबो ना tan theta सहित से associated हेकी रहइबो. ताले आमे जो प्रीवियसली जो यूज करचंदी ए फार्मूला को यूज करि परिबा नाही. ये फार्मूलाटा कोथि पे यूज करिवो अनग्रुप्ड डेटा. ताले कोन हला ना आम ए को केमिति यूज करचंदी ना सब बेले आम जदी 360 180 then it will be your 90 270. This side data of left hand side will be in negative side, the data of right hand side will be in positive side. The data of 348 then it being quadrant आसुची ना northwestern quadrant, so things will be negative side. ताले 348 it is 12 less than 360, so it is in negative side, so we are writing -12. 350 being it is 10 shorter than 360, so we are writing -10. then 10 it is in positive side, so 10, 12 positive side, so 12, 18 it is in positive side, so 8, 34 it is in positive side means eastern side, so 34, 347 it is 13 less than 360, so minus 13, then 350 it is 2 less than 360, so minus 2. Then we will add all the data, then divide it with the number of data. Then it is a simple your ratio, means simple average. This is a kind of simple average or ungrouped data. But we cannot use the data. जदि परीक्षा आसी 2007 2010 रे पालियो करंट डेटा आसी, जदि आसी तार क्वेश्चन टा बाहर कर कौन आंसर आसूची बाहर कर दवा, बुझुछ ना, गोटे मेचे गले कहीं कले हेनी. सो फार ग्रुप डेटा रो क्वेश्चन आसी नहीं. The following Paleogram directions were determined from asymmetrical ripple mark on a sandstone outcrop. North 10 degree, north 355 degree, north 15, north 345, north 5, north 2 degree, north 350, north 358, north 340, then north 20. Here it is with respect to the north direction. Sometimes question will ask from only in directions 10, 355, 15, 345 or 5. So everything with respect to 5 means it is with respect to the north. 350 means it is with respect to north, that is 350. So the next step we will just add with respect to whether it is in a positive side or whether it is in a negative side. So the thing is it is 10, so 10, 355, so minus 5, 15 plus 15, 345 minus 15, then plus 5 plus 2 minus 10 minus 2 minus 20 plus 20 divided by 10. The thing is from 10 we have a negative 10, 5, then 5, 15, 15 minus 2 plus 2 minus 20 plus 20. So things are 0. Once 0 means north 360 or 0. The answer will be north 360 or simply north 0. Answer will be north 360 or north 0. The Paleogram direction will be north 360 or 0 depending on the question. If it is asked for 360, then it will be answer will be 360. If it is 0, the answer will be 0. ठीक अच्छे.